Alright, welcome back, educators and YouTubers, tech enthusiasts and the like. Today we are working with the iPad. Now, I haven't really done too much on this. I purchased this recently within the last 6 months or so, and the iPad prices are dropping dramatically. I think the 7th gen started out at $330. So now is a good time. As you can see, they're not too bad hand size. So it's good enough. But anyways, it's great for artists and teachers and learners alike. So let's get into what we're really doing. iMovie. So the little star right there is iMovie. I'm gonna click on that, and then I'm gonna click on the plus. Okay, and then I'm gonna hit the movie button, and then I'm going to hit the video. Video. So I have the iMovie video already loaded in here. I previously downloaded that. So I put that in my drive, my Google Drive. I made it from Screencastify. And that was the video on the flow page. So we're just gonna create movie. We're gonna go back and hit the video and then all, and then click on that and hit the plus. There we go. And so let's add a little bit of more flavor to our video, shall we? Flavor. Here's my flavor. So I'm scrolling in here looking for what I quote unquote call flavor. Go back to video. Hit audio, and then I'm gonna hit soundtracks. Go back, plus. My music imported. There you go. And so I downloaded royalty-free music. I did not use Ben Sound, but I did use something else. But I do have a video on using Ben Sound. Awesome free tutorial on that. So I'm going to hit this right here, so I can preview the sound, and then let's hit that again. I'll hit the plus, and then I'll put that at the bottom of my timeline, and we'll talk about how to use that later. You go back, get rid of that, and then we're going to hit plus because we're going to hit the media button, and we have something I want to add in here. So there we go. We just clicked on that, and now I have this image in here. And I wanted one more thing in here. Eureka. Just click that. Plus. Alright, so here we go, YouTubers. So, and teachers. So I found what I wanted. So I'm going to take this intro clip. I click on it with my magical finger here. I'm going to take it, hold it, and move it over here, and keep going in front of the timeline because I want that at the front of the timeline. Okay? Cool. And I want my picture at the back of the timeline. And so as you see it moving, this is called the Ken Burns effect. Let's click on the photo on that. And I'll bring this up here. And there you go, Ken Burns effect. So now I got my flow page code right there. So let's scroll over here. Just play. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit stop. Because right now, I'm about to have this loud music play when I'm talking, which is not going to work. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my little finger here, and I'm going to click on the soundtrack, and then it says split, foreground. You can't see duplicate. There's action, speed, and volume. So first off, I'm going to hit the scissors and then split. So now I have that section split. Okay, I'm gonna sit down here just a bit. So when I have that section split, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on that first section, and then I'm gonna hit volume. I'm gonna hit fade. And so this arrow right here, coming down, I'm gonna slide it over a bit. And then I'm gonna pull the music down a bit, and that's where the fade is gonna be. So let's pull that back and double check. Okay, so it did dip. I don't know. Yeah, you can see that on the video there, that light or darker gray section. That's where the fade is. So then I'm going to click the rest of this music. And if I play it right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that. And I don't want that at 100% volume. So I'm on volume button. Slide it down a bit. Let's do 50, see what that is. I'm going to scrub here. You can see here on the bottom it's pretty low. Barely hear it, but over here you can see that those peaks. So let's see what that's like. Doesn't sound like it's going to drown me out, so that's cool. And there we go. So that is it. So if I wanted to add stuff, let's hit back. We can hit the plus, and we can add whatever we're looking for. Go to the video. What's really cool, let's go back here. So let's say I wanted to add something specific in here. So we are talking, what are we talking about? We're talking about flowpage.com or flow code. So what we're going to do here is we will click on the screen here and hit text. And so now we can hit type in anything. So what we're going to do is double click that, and I'm going to put flow page. Why don't we, I think it's one word, but why don't we just separate it for the sake of everybody involved. So then I could take this, and there we got the flow page right there, so we know what we're talking about. So as teachers, what we could do is we could click wherever. Now, see, that's going to go, and that's going to stay there for the whole video. And I probably don't want that to happen, so I'm going to take that on here, and we're going to stop right about here somewhere, and then I'm going to hit that and hit action and hit split. And so now flow page is going to be there until we hit the split. You're not going to see any transition there because we don't have any, but there you go. So if I wanted to type in specific things and wanted people to read those, that's one way of doing that. Okay, so roll back over here. Excellent. Click on that, just check things out. You can also hit speed. So let's say I want to speed something up here. Let's just for the sake of it, hit split and hit split again. I can click on that section in between, hit speed, and I could slow it down, or I could speed it up. Okay, so sped it up. Oh, I sound so funny in twice speed. So obviously I don't want to do that, so I'm going to hit back, and we're groovy. Okay, so let's say you're doing something and you don't want the audio. I can click on the audio track of this, and I can just get rid of the audio track. Okay, I hit volume, and there I have no audio track because the spikes are all gone down. the valleys and peaks, they're all gone. So what would be great about that is if you were, I'm going to put it back to about 100%. So, which is also another thing to point out, if you're recording and you have very low voice, you can go in there and turn up the voice a bit. But if you're doing a video in the classroom that doesn't necessarily require you to speak at that time, you can record the whole video. Kids could be in the room making lots of noise, and then you click that microphone button right there, and then it will allow you to record audio over the video, so you can blend the two together. They have filters here, they have titles. If you want to add just a black page, you could have a black image and then add it in there. Stay tuned, I will have another video on how to add royalty-free images, so if you wanted to learn about that as well. But this has been iMovie. I'm trying to keep this quick, and I think I haven't. So thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing. If you have any questions, please, please, please let me know. I'd love to help out and continue the community of growth. It's recording, and I didn't even realize it. All right, check it out. So I forgot to do this. When we're done, we just hit the big done word right there, and then what we can do is we can hit my movie, and this was on the flow code, but we're going to call this flow code, even though we're making up here how to use iMovie. So flow, we're going to do flow page. So we hit done, and 6 minutes 26 seconds gives me the date, and then I can hit share, and so I can save it to my files. I can export the project, save the video. I'm gonna hit to the drive, because why not? That'll go up to the drive. I could go straight to YouTube, and I've done that many times, but for some reason now I'm gonna do export the movie. So either way, so thanks for watching again. Take care.